The textile services sector is an amazing hidden sector. It's one that people don't really realise is there, but is absolutely essential for all of the UK industry basically. So it works from everything from high-tech manufacturing, low-tech manufacturing, heavy engineering, light engineering. It's also critical for keeping our healthcare system going. So it supplies probably about 80% of all the linen and gowns to hospitals. So it's amazingly important. And of course the final sector that it supports is the hospitality sector, hotels, restaurants, you name it. And our members actually process about 53 million items a week. So it's a critical sector across UK industry. But also it supports the economy. In fact, the sectors that it supports contribute about £950 billion of gross value added to the UK economy as a whole. So it's critically important that our members are able to provide good quality linen on time in the right place. We have three challenges, and the first relates to that. It's raising our profile. We need to raise our profile to ensure that our customers realise how important we are for them to do their job, but also that government recognises that we have needs and we need to improve the environment in which our members can deliver their services. The second is actually supporting our members, supporting them in terms of technical services through a number of knowledge networks that we run. And the final area is that we're very keen on is actually to support and drive improvements in standards through training. We're actually just putting in place a new apprenticeship. That'll be going live this year. So it's really about driving and supporting our members as well as raising our profile. So the challenges and issues for us are Brexit. I think everybody has that problem. Our issue around Brexit is not so much about costs and import and export, it's more about access to people who work on our shop floor. 38 to 40% of employees in companies are from non-UK European countries. The other areas is about pricing. And then finally, we've got some health and safety challenges. Our members run significantly complex chemical and engineering plants which we need to ensure are the safest in the world. In the TSA earlier this year, we mapped out a 3 to 5 year strategy, and we're working, pushing our priorities forwards in terms of communication and raising our profile, improving technical services and delivering better training. That's happening over the next 3 to 5 years. We've already created some new knowledge networks which we want to grow and develop into being one of our main communication tools with our members, not just the senior guys, but throughout the companies. You know, this role is actually going to be critical in helping us deliver that, in helping us raise our profile both with our members' customers and with our members and with government, and it's really actually driving forward awareness of what textile services do. I think one of the things that anybody taking up this role will find is the level of enthusiasm that our members have for what they do. And it's always surprised me that they've never had greater recognition for the critical services they supply across the UK. They're going to be effectively my deputy, and it's also up to them, and they've got an opportunity to really drive forward the profile of this sector and engage with the membership. That's absolutely critical because this role is going to be one of the primary points of contact. So it's quite a diverse role. We're only a small team. But I think also there is a real opportunity to make a contribution.